Mix cornstarch with acetone. It's stronger than using steel sponge. To start our tip today, in a container I will add 200 milliliters of detergent. You can use the one of your preference. Next, I will use the item that makes this tip effective. Just by mixing 3 tablespoons of cornstarch in this mixture, you will see that the effect for cleaning is impressive. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Sophia Fred from New York. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. I will add 1 spoon at a time and mix until it reaches this point. Another item little used for cleaning is acetone. Here I will also use 3 tablespoons, and the effectiveness of this product makes this tip the differential of conventional products. You will surely be impressed by the use of this mixture. Now I will add a tablespoon of salt and mix again. Finally, I will add 100 milliliters of vinegar. And when mixing, our tip will be ready. I'm sure you never made this mixture of ingredients for cleaning your pots. The consistency that we arrive with this mixture will surely surprise you. And that the effect of cornstarch is the differential for removing stains from your pots. I always keep this tip ready in my house for use when needed. To facilitate the application of this product, I will add all the mixture in a spray bottle, and for this I will also use a funnel, avoiding waste of our product. Only with this small amount, I can remove stains from several pots. Only by adding this mixture directly into the pan and rubbing with a sponge, I can remove the dirt easily. Without the use of steel sponge, you will thank me for using this tip in your home and using only products that you already use on a daily basis. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.